You've made up your mind that you want to be famous. There are many ways to achieve popularity, and fame undoubtedly has its advantages. The finest one is to nurture talent. After that, you may promote both yourself and your talent to the globe, expanding your fan base and elevating your profile. Remember that achieving and maintaining fame frequently requires a lot of work. So if you're not ready to put in the necessary effort, this career path might not be right for you. Additionally, even if you put in the most effort, becoming famous still requires a certain amount of luck. Things to be aware of. To get recognized, try creating a popular social media video, putting in an application for a reality program, or displaying your special giving or problem-solving abilities. Treat your talents as if they were skills that you could practice and develop. You are more likely to be recognized for them if you spend more time and effort into them. Create a public profile for yourself. Establish a social media presence. Contact other media outlets to promote your work or yourself. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.